Hey there guys, Chris with Capitol Harley-Davidson again, coming at you for another 2021 model year model walk around. Today we have a 2021 Road Glide Special in Billiard Red and Vivid Black two-tone with the chrome option. There's quite a few things that are different on this bike from the prior model year. Prodigy wheel now has machined accents on it. You get a mustache engine guard and all the specials. High flow air cleaner. Another thing you'll notice, stretch saddlebags chrome and a 114 on the special this year as an option. You maintain your incandescent lighting in the rear with the LED lower light. Fuel tank has also changed for 2021. As you can see, there is no longer the center fill cap. It is now a side fill cap. This particular bike has RDRS, so the traction control switch is. They also updated the speakers in the fairing. I'm sure you can see that through the speaker grills. They are now 5 1/4 inch as opposed to the old 6 1/2. Much better mids and highs, better for listening down the highway. They still sound great. They've also went to a cable clutch for the touring bikes this year. This one, again, is a Milwaukee-Eight 114 with a 6-speed transmission. Forward lighting is same as years past. Incandescent turn signal bulbs and the quintessential road glide headlight. If a bike like this is something you're looking for, we'll probably have a few color options here available for you when you come on in. Stop in here, ask to speak with a sales representative like myself or one of my other sales guys, and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for taking a look at this 2021 Road Glide Special. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.